Hello.
Oh man.
Today we're gonna be playing Block Strike. This is Justin Adam.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna play Block Strike, and I'm gonna be playing with my cousin.
Yep,
Say
I'm
hello.
playing. Hello.
Hello. So my cousin's going to make the server. So do it, Junior. So if you want to check out our
I'm just gonna
channel,
pause for a moment so that I don't make you guys bored.
yeah. So yeah, me too. So I'm just gonna. Okay, we're back now. We're
Yep.
gonna be playing this game. Okay, so if you
You
want to,
might want to put some of your volume down because sometimes it's loud and it will be hard for the people to hear you.
yeah, I know. So yeah, we're gonna do that. If you want to check out our channels, you can check out my cousin's channel, which is C20 Rex, and my channel is Robot Ethan 23.
Yep.
So
I'm C20 Rex.
go check it out, please.
He's Robot Ethan. I'm
Yeah.
playing a game. Come over here. Oh.
I've been playing this for a lot of time.
I got a new phone, so it's even better. Oh,
Yeah.
I like that skin on it. That skin is cool.
I know. I got a lot of skins, so yeah.
I don't have any skin for this gun, I think.
Yeah, I got a lot of skins. I almost have every single game, so.
Let me,
And I'm in my accuracy, it's really good.
give me a second. I just need to fix something.
What do you need to fix?
The sensitivity. It's too fast for me.
My sensitivity is perfect.
No, it's too
So you want me to kill you now or later?
Okay, let me just put it to 10. There we go. Oh, I almost exit the game.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I'm ready.
All right, where are you?
Behind the door.
Oh.
Come on.
Ah!
Yeah.
Wait, you got a 5-7 now?
Yeah, I got 5-7 now. Oh, you
Now I
just
got it.
one-shotted me.
I didn't one-shot you.
Yeah. So I was first to 100 points.
Yeah.
Last time I was playing with him, my phone died when I was at 99.
Yeah, yeah, you almost won.
No. You had the 5-7 now?
Yeah.
And you're winning right now.
Yeah, no.
You really did get better at the game.
Mhm.
But not better enough. Ah!
Oh! Wait, how did you? Oh, you got a headshot.
Come on.
Oh, God.
How'd you
yes.
get me?
Look at my skin of my up 7.
It's just the same one as mine.
Huh?
It's the same one as mine.
No, look at mine.
Oh, it's green on the top.
Yep.
Come on. One more shot. Yes. I got the USP. I need to put my skins back on. Oh, you got it too.
I like to. Oh, never mind.
No, that's not the 5-7. That's a USP.
All right. Oh, die,
Yeah, come on.
die. All right, I got a Beretta.
Ah, are you serious? How did you?
I got a Beretta. Yeah, I got a
killed me
Beretta.
twice. Oh, come on.
Oh no!
Yes.
Ah! I think the SP use SP and is better than the Beretta.
I shot you in the head twice. Are you serious? How are you winning?
Oh. The silent gun is actually, it has better accuracy and I think it's better.
Thank you. Oh, I got the Beretta now.
It doesn't look like a Beretta. Oh, I think it's different from mine because it got the skin. Oh! How are you winning? Oh, never mind. We're tied. Oh. Where are you?
Right on the side of you. Aww.
Magnum.
Oh, you're lucky I love the Magnum.
Check out my Magnum. Look at it. Oh!
I got you, yes.
You got the you got the Beretta.
I got the Magnum now.
Oh, where are you? Oh. Bam.
Gotcha.
Ah. Got you. Oh god. Oh, got you.
Yeah.
I got a Deagle.
No, the Deagle's good too.
I don't really like it much. It used to be my secondary weapon.
I like the Magnum better.
Yeah, it's better. Oh shoot.
I know,
god.
You only like 1 health. I shot you twice.
Yeah. Oh god. Oh
Stop
shoot.
running
No.
away.
No. Die.
Oh! Yes, gotcha.
You got the Magnum?
I got the Deagle.
Oh.
No!
You get the
Your
guy.
Deagle looks cool.
No, this is a skin on my Deagle.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
It's blue.
It looks like that blue you like. What? I just got out! Are you serious?
I got a C725, I think.
What's that?
It's the thing that looks like it's this one.
Oh no, you're really getting.
Yeah, I'm really good at the game. I'm level 5 after this.
I'm only level 2.
that's pretty low.
Let me.
Oh god. Got you.
Yes, I got you.
Oh yes, I got a Tech 9.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, look at my Tech 9.
You ain't gonna beat me though.
Face my Tech 9. Oh. Die! Hold up. Oh.
Yes, I got this. This is 75.
Got ya.
No. Oh, that looks cool too.
Yeah, I really like this
Looks like
Tech 9.
it looks like our country's flag, El Salvador.
Oh yeah. Oh god, no.
Oh come on.
Oh shoot, no.
You're almost there.
Ah!
Yes. Oh my god, I'm so low health though.
Good die. I got a side off.
Oh, you got those 2 shotguns.
Yeah, I got those 2 double shotguns. Yeah. Too bad they only carry 4 ammo. Yeah. Ah.
Oh, I got a Tech 9 now.
Oh, you do.
Yeah.
Die. Oh. Die. There we go.
No. Ah. I'm so close to that one. I just need to get one more kill with this.
Where are you? Oh, there you are. Die.
Yes, I got the saw.
Ah. Die. Why won't you just... Yes, I got the Nova.
Oh no, the Nova is really good. Why can't I move? Oh, there. Okay, I'm coming after you.
No, you're not. Oh! I think after the Nova, it's the Spaz 12, I think. Where are you?
Right here.
Oh God! Oh!
I was hiding.
Oh, you have a Nova now, don't you?
Yep.
Oh God! Oh!
Nope.
No, now you're winning. Oh, I see you. I saw you. Wait.
Okay.
Die. Die. Yes. Oh no!
So close.
What do you have? What do you
I
have?
got the Spas.
Oh, you got the Spaz.
Yeah. No, I shot you twice.
No, you didn't. You missed. Oh
I saw
God!
blood come out of you.
No, but you didn't get me. Die.
Oh my goodness, you almost killed me.
How much HP are you at?
8.
Oh God. Down.
No, I tried jumping
Yes,
around.
I got the Spaz 12. I'm really good with this gun.
This gun's good.
Yeah, it's really good.
I think the Nova's my favorite though.
Die. What? How did you?
There, I killed you.
Die. Huh? I got you. Oh, you got the AA-12.
Yeah, I think a few
Died.
hits on you.
Died. Ah!
Oh, I hate this gun.
Oh, the Springfield.
Yeah.
Come on. Yes, I got you.
Oh, so close to getting you. It's gonna be hard.
Oh, God.
I really hate Springfield.
Yeah, it's
So-
really hard to use it. It takes a while to shoot again.
No.
Got you once. 2.
Ah,
I got
that-
an AA-12, but after this, I'm gonna get a Springfield. Oh God, where are you?
Springfield's always so hard to use.
Ah!
Yes, I got you once. Okay. I need to get you a few more
It's
times.
slow but good. Yes, got you once, 2.
No, it looks like a scar.
Yeah, it looks like I really like a scar. After the Springfield, I think it's a scar. Bam, 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 bam. Die. Got you.
No, how much health do you have?
37.
Ah, you just need to get one more hit.
I got a Springfield. Die. Yes,
Ah, at least I got my new thing, and it's a scar.
I knew it. The scar is really good, actually.
Uh huh.
Oh shoot. Oh, there you are. You're really good with the scar because you play Fortnite with it.
Okay, why can't I move?
Got ya.
I couldn't move!
I got a scar now!
No! Catching up.
I got a cool skin of it.
I haven't seen how your thing looks like.
Die.
Oh, it looks silver.
Yeah. It's actually called silver. How did you know?
It looks silver.
It's like, Gaia.
Are you serious? No, you're winning now.
I got an 45. It's 200. Die.
No, I'm gonna lose now. I just need to get a scar kill and I'm good. How come the scar in Fortnite is so much easier to shoot with?
I think it's because you're used to the Xbox.
No, it shoots faster. It doesn't shoot like slow like this.
I know.
How much else do you have?
50.
How?
I got the Uzi. Die.
No! I'm losing.
Alright, oh god. Okay, I'm gonna stop the video right here. Okay,
We
bye
can make
everyone.
a part 2.
Yeah, we're gonna make a part 2 after this. So, and